Here's how you fix your Toshiba Smart TV turning on randomly. So mine used to turn on every 5 minutes after I turned it off, and I think I figured it out why. So it's off right now. If I press the power button right here, as you can see, it's going to load. Now, why it was turning on before is because my connection was not being cancelled. So right here, as you can see, every time you turn the TV on, you have to connect to the internet, but because the connection was not cancelled, then it was automatically turning on. So I'm going to show you how I fixed it. So basically all you gotta do is go right here to the top, home, apps, then keep on pressing the right button until we go to the option for settings. So click on it. Now from here, what I did was I went to general settings. So go to general settings, press on the OK button. Now here what I did was scroll all the way down, and first I clicked on factory settings. So this will just create or put your TV in factory mode, so it's instant, the process. And then what I did was completely reinstall the TV. So this will ask you to log in into your connection network, into your Wi-Fi. You have to put in your password again. But after I did that, I unchecked news updates, and basically after that my TV does not turn on by itself. So if I stop it right now, it's gonna stay turned off. So hope this helps you. If that doesn't work, one more thing I can suggest doing is, if you have a console right here, as you can see I have a switch, then you have to unplug it. So unplug it from the HDMI slot. So hope either of those help. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.